As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills today, right? The Q1200 and the Genesis E-435. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Q1200 is around $259, and the Genesis E-435 is significantly more at $1,399. What's the deal with that?
Well, the Q1200 is all about portability. It's smaller, lighter at 30 pounds, and runs on those little propane cylinders. Perfect for tailgating. The Genesis, on the other hand, is a full-sized backyard grill, weighing a hefty 220 pounds.
Okay, size matters. What about cooking space?
Huge difference. The Q1200 has a cooking area of only 189 square inches. The Genesis? A whopping 4,168 square centimeters, which translates to way more square inches. You can cook a feast on that thing.
So the Genesis is for serious grilling? Multiple steaks at once? That kind of thing?
Exactly. It even has an extra-large sear zone and an expandable top cooking grate. The Q1200 is more for smaller meals, maybe a couple of burgers.
What about the burners?
The Q1200 has one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTU. The Genesis? 4 burners plus a side burner. It's a whole outdoor kitchen.
A side burner is convenient. Is there anything else that sets them apart?
The Genesis is compatible with Weber's crafted outdoor kitchen collection. You can swap out the grates for grillware to bake, roast, stir-fry, pretty versatile. It also has a grill locker for storage and improved grease management. The Q1200 is simpler, just a reliable grill.
So if I'm camping or need something small, the Q1200 makes sense. But if I want a serious grill for home, the Genesis is the way to go, despite the price jump?
Pretty much. The Genesis is an investment in a full grilling experience. The Q1200 is a great, portable option for basic grilling. It all depends on what you need. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.